Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question from the topic numbers. Numbers is a very important topic for not only for CAT, for all other B school entrances also. We get good number of questions from this topic. One such question we will discuss today. Can you please pause the video, make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. The integers 1 to 50 are written in a blackboard. 1, 2, 3 and so on, say 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, they are written on the blackboard. The following operation is repeated 49 times there. What is done? In each repetition, any two numbers, say m and n, currently on the blackboard are erased and a new number m plus n minus 1 is written. What will be the number left on the board at the end? Good. See, for example, if I erase 3 and 46. So I am erasing these two numbers. But what I am writing in their place? Instead of m and n, I am writing m plus n minus 1 means I am writing 3 plus 46 minus 1. That is 48 I am writing. So in one such operation, what happens is you are removing two numbers and writing one number. So the number of terms will come down by 1 every time. That is first thing, or the number of numbers will come down by 1 every operation. Second thing is, what about the sum? Instead of 3 and 46 you are writing 48, so instead of 49 the sum is now 48, means the sum also will come down by 1. Every operation the sum will come down by 1. Let me explain you one more. Suppose if I take say 47 and 49, 47 plus 49 is 96. If I remove these two, what I am writing instead of that? I am writing 47 plus 49 minus 1 means I am writing 95. Instead of two numbers, now you are writing one number. So the number of terms will come down by 1. Instead of their sum would have been for 96, now you are writing 95 means the sum comes down by 1. So every time you do this repetition, the number of terms will come down by 1 and the sum also will come down by 1. First of all, what is sum of all these 50 numbers? Sum of first 50 numbers is going to be sigma n is 50 into 51 by 2. You know sigma n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So 50 into 51 by 2, it is 1275. But in every operation, every repetition, if the sum is coming down by 1, when you repeat 49 times, the sum will come down by 49. So the sum of the remaining numbers now on the blackboard will be 1226. But out of 50 numbers, every time you do this operation, out of two numbers you are writing one number, means the number of terms also is coming down by 1. When you repeat 49 times, so now number of terms also will come down by 49, means instead of 50 numbers, now you will be left with only one number on the board. There will be only one number on the board and its sum should be 1226, means in other words the number left on the board is 1226. So hence my answer is choice D. It looks a bit difficult question, but it is based on a simple concept of sigma n, right? So the answer is choice D. Thank you.